Focus. Okay, cut. There we go. So, well. Look what came in the mail today. I'll set the camera down. This'll work. Yeah, that'll do. Aha! Probe Model 101 with an added bonus. Another Probe Model 101. These are in the original boxes. Those old manuals. So, there's only one thing I can think of to do. And that's take one out and see what it looks like. You know? Notice how it has a black bracket on the back. Now, let's see if I can take this off. Ooh, it's pretty crusty. Oh my god, that's the battery. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that. Okay. Oh god, this battery is so swollen the bracket won't even come off. But, as you can see, looking there, it has a piezo horn. And looking there, you can see the silver ionization chamber. Of course, your test button, it works. Well, I don't know it yet, but I'm assuming it does. Now, getting this... Oh god, this battery's disgusting. Now, getting this bracket off. Oh god. I hope I don't burn myself with... Oh, it's getting all over my bed. That's disgusting. Hopefully I don't... Oh god. Okay, it says to remove, twist, and lift both ends. Okay. Okay, there we go. Ow! Oh my god, look at that battery. Now I have a good view of the back. And it is Southwest Laboratories. Approximately 1986. Detector signal is a constant sounding of the alarm. Weak battery is a chirp every minute, you know. All that good stuff. It's probably going to do like 5.6, I'd say. But, yeah, no. Words cannot describe what this battery has become, so I'm going to lay some of this newspaper down and try to pull it out. I'm trying not to get much of it on my bed, but here goes. It's just going to crumble out, that's what it's going to do. You know? It's not even going to slide out, it's going to crumble out. Oh my god. Cut. We need a better tool. Okay, we have a good screwdriver now, and we're gonna attempt to this operation. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Oh wow. The housing of the battery is literally crumbling away and revealing the cells. So, oh yeah. So as I was saying, I hope the terminals where you plug the battery in don't come off with this, because that would be pretty disastrous. I wouldn't be able to test it. Okay. Oh, it's coming out now. Gradually. Slowly but surely. Aha! Oh! Oh my god, it just went everywhere. Okay. Well, here is where, oh god, oh wow, it is just terrible. Now here is the battery lead. Oh god. And the battery just fell on my floor and got all sorts of different corrosive things all over my floor, so yeah. But I got it out, and hopefully there's hopefully I'll be able to plug a battery in and it'll get enough continuity to work, because these terminals, I don't know if you can see them, but these terminals are just corroded beyond belief. But I got the battery out, and yeah, see, there you go. It's kind of dark because I don't have very good lighting, but there you go. Of testing of this very shortly. Time for testing. I'm gonna plug this battery in, and there's a chance it could beep, but we'll see. I think it just chirped a little bit. Yeah, it is chirping a little bit. Corrosion is going everywhere, but whatever. Let's test it. That's not healthy. That is not healthy. Not healthy at all. Uh-oh. Not good. Well, I kind of got it working. Come on. It's very finicky though, from all the corrosion. Oh. Come on. Come on, I know you want to work. I know you want to work. Well, it works when it's lying down on something for some reason. But as you can as you can see, it does kind of a slow 4/6. Yeah, it partially works, but definitely do not use this to protect anybody or anything, because it probably won't work. Alright, that's it.